Happy Wednesday, budget friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. We are working on our Micro Wednesday savings challenges. It's going pretty good. We got our $20 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, this has been very exciting for me. I've mentioned before how important it is for me to try to bring $20 back to the table each week. Let's set up our savings challenges. These are little micro savings challenges that I made. They're just images from ChatGPT, and then I just put stickers on them. I'm saying that every week because I want people to know that you can make these. You can make savings challenges. The stickers I actually got from Dollar Tree. They're just the little in the sale, garage sale sticker stacks. That's where I got these from. The envelopes I did get from Amazon, but the images are from ChatGPT, and I went to the library to print them up. So my library lets you print a certain amount of money, a certain amount of prints, as long as you stay within a certain budget, and then you pay after that. So what we're going to do is just roll the dice and see how much money each one of them are getting. First one up, let's see, 6. Oh my goodness, we're not doing this again, are we? Last week I rolled some 6s, and I wasn't happy about it because I would rather all of them get a little cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's not do that again. What do we have? 1. Okay, we'll take it. 1. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, stay away for 6. Okay, 1. I'm just gonna scoot a little bit because I want my bills to be stacked separately. Oh, what is that? 2. 1, 2. Okay, and so if I roll more than whatever is left, it's just too bad. It's gonna get that. 3. 1, 2, 3. It got it anyway. And we're gonna do our little famous stack to the side. Boom. So then that way we can keep it a little bit more organized. So we have 1, and then we have whatever that one was. I think it was 6. Let's see here. 4, 6. Let's add 1. And what's this? $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was $6. I believe I have one $5 or $2 $5. Oh, I do have a 2. So let's go ahead and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did pull. I have the money for next week's video, and so I was thinking maybe I should record it again tonight. I don't know if I will, but if anyway, I do have the $20 for next week, but I'm not certain I'll have it for the last Friday of the month. We'll see. I'm still working on it, and there's still a little bit of time for me to figure that out. 5, 10, 15, 16, $17, you all. $17 buckaroos. And I'm still trying to figure out whatever I save, what I'm going to spend that cash on. I'm not certain. So we have 1 and 2. So in total we have 5, 6, 7, $8. I'm really hoping I can at least finish a couple of them. But rolling the 6s took a lot of cash. It took a lot. Oh, let's move on to this one. So we have a 1. And we have 1, 2, 3. Oops. total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And so let me grab this other $5 bill. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is my last $5 bill over there. So we have 5, 10, 11. Right, and we're going to add $1, $2, $3 here. Giving us a total of $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Let that dry just for a second. And we have $3 here. And it's crazy because I have 2 weeks left and most of them have 2 stickers except for this one. Which is fine. If I finish it, it's great, and if I don't, that's okay too. But let's see here. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. See if this one's dry. Can't tell. We're going to go ahead and put it away anyway. So we've gone ahead and added our other $20 for this week. I haven't quite decided. I think what I'm going to do is grab me a drink and see how I feel if I want to continue on and record next week's video, just because I do have the cash here already. I could be making that up. I think I have the $20. Let me grab a drink. I'm going to see how I feel. Yeah, but for now, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.